Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Capricorn. Guys, if it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So messages for Capricorn and what's going on. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. So under the deck, Ace of Swords, Queen of Wands, Justice, and Five of Cups. I think Capricorn, maybe you're in separation with your person right now, or you're going through something in your life right now. You're feeling sad for someone or for something, and there is no balance in your life, and you want balance. You want to take your power back, and you're uh, focusing on your inner strength. And there is communication is coming with clarity, or for some, you decided to cut off someone from your life. Yes. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Eight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and Knight of Swords. So in recent past, you are working on something. Maybe you are working on your work, on your career, but there was some communication between you and your person. Someone communicated with you in recent past, but I think there are some issues. Maybe they want to talk about the issues in recent past. Someone approached you for some the apology. Maybe they did hurt you. They say apology to you, or for some they already told apology to you. Then present Five of Wands, the World, and Two of Swords. Definitely a lot of drama is going right now in your relationship. Some cycles are gonna be end between you and your person. You are at some crossroads. Maybe you want to make some decision, but you don't know which decision you have to make. You are indecisive about to make a decision. Then future, the Sun, the Devil, and Ten of Swords. I think you're feeling stuck and you're very, very tired, and lots of your third party involved in this connection, especially kids involved. Definitely you're feeling sad and you're feeling stuck. And for some, this person or this relationship is toxic for you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. So Capricorn, their current feelings and intentions towards you. Okay. Their intentions. I want clarification card for Eight of Cups, Emperor, and Seven of Swords for Ten of Pentacles. I think under the deck, Page of Swords, Three of Swords, and the World. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. Right now they're missing you, Capricorn, there is no doubt, and they're spying you a lot. If you're in separation, your person is spying you a lot. And their current feelings: Four of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, and Eight of Cups. Ten of Pentacles clarification card, Seven of Swords, and Eight of Cups, Three of Wands. So lots of you are in separation. Definitely they played games with you in recent past. I think for some this person is sneaky. Right now your person is healing and thinking about you a lot. They're taking rest. They need some rest. If they walked away from you, they're waiting on you. They still want some positive growth in this relationship, Capricorn. But there are some trust issues. Definitely they did something wrong to you. That's why they're scared for rejection also. And then their intentions: Emperor, Queen of Wands, and Knight of Swords. And the Emperor clarification card is the Sun. Definitely they are realizing your worth, Capricorn. That's why they are rushing to communicate with you, and they are very passionate about to take action towards you, because Queen of Wands. For some, your person is very dominative, but they're going to make action very soon, and they're rushing to communicate with you. Definitely they want some positive growth, and they're realizing your worth, and you are their happiness. And for some, they are realizing that you are their happiness. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome, Capricorn. Six of Swords. Yeah. They're coming back to fix things with you, and they're ready to offer their cup of love to you. And lots of communication is coming. Eight of Wands. Definitely you will receive communication, and there is some progress in your life or in your relationship, and it is coming very rapidly. And they're coming back to offer stability. Ace of Cups. Wow. And for some, a brand new person is entering into your life. And for some, you still love this person, you still want stability with this person, and you're feeling overburdened, and your emotions are running high. You are missing them right now. So Capricorn, for some, you still loving this person, and for some, a brand new person is coming. And in financial wise, there is stability in your finances is coming for you, Capricorn. So let's see mutual energies. Wow. Ten of Cups, Queen of Swords, Four of Swords, and Three of Swords. You're both missing each other a lot right now. Three of Swords and Ten of Cups, Queen of Swords, and Four of Swords. Right now you're both healing, and you're both thinking about each other. Yeah, right now no contact situation, but they're rushing to communicate with you, and you both want this Ten of Cups happiness with each other. And for some, it will take some time, because right now you both are in no contact or in separation. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. In the second message, player and reconciliation. So the messages are reconciliation, player, and I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Capricorn. The energy is gaining momentum, and meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces. Pisces energy. And under the deck, a personal issue reaches resolution. So definitely the energy is gaining momentum. There will be some momentum, and there will be some action from your person and towards you in near future. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.